Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to turn on dark mode in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to display, and here at the top you can see two options, light and dark. Now if you select dark, and it's done. Now you can see in my phone dark mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you tap on dark mode settings, you can also set schedule for dark mode. If you enable this option, then you can set schedule for dark mode. You can set sunset to sunrise. Also you can set custom schedule, but I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. And it's done. Now if you go to home screen and then swipe from top to bottom, and here at the bottom you can see dark mode option. You can also enable or disable dark mode from here, and it's enabled successfully. And that is how you can turn on dark mode in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe